Let go.
Got open really big.
There you go.
Yay! Good job.
Can I see the pictures?
No, you
Well, you
gotta
gotta do
more.
the rest of them.
Yeah, and then we can watch the pictures. Good job.
Open big. Open big. Oh, yeah.
Open really big, baby.
You help me.
Got it. There you go.
Do the blue one.
Good job, Brady. Go!
Wow, look how fast that one was. Wow.
Good.
Nice work.
Maddie, can you get the red blocks? Can you get those? Oh, put it in the cup. Put it right in the cup. Got it? Yay! Do another one. What?
2.
2. Woohoo! Good job. Number 3. Put it in the cup. Yay! Get another one. This one.
1.
4.
There's 3. How many are there? 5. Wow.
Yay!
That's a pretty good job.
Good job.
Get the bell.
You
Get the bell.
did it. Get the bell.
Now shake the bell.
Okay, say bye, Maddie.
Bye.